Morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Thank you again for all the support that y'all have given me. Today I'm going to be going over the knife haul that I made on Saturday, December the 2nd. It was at visited two pawn shops in Phoenix City, Alabama, and I went to a thrift mall in Columbus, Georgia. Let's go over the items that I got at the thrift mall in Columbus. Here is a Victorinox mini champ. As you can tell, it's a Victorinox. It's got I think this is a letter opener. It's another blade. It's pretty sharp. And we got a fingernail file. Clean your fingernails and your file your nails. And this one here is one that's got a broke spring on it. See right there, and let's call that an orange peeler. I've never peeled an orange with that. I don't even know how you do that. But that's what they call it. And this here is a cuticle. You service the cuticles on your finger right here, I guess. I mean, that's what they call it. And a pair of scissors. Spring's great. And you got a ruler. And you got a small flat tip screwdriver. It does come with the tweezers. And these, again, guys, are the best tweezers you can buy. And toothpick, of course. Good to put on your keychain, these are. I gave 15 for that. I didn't figure it was a bad price, because there was 60 on the website. It's got the tweezers. Paid $6 for this. It's got your scissors with the spring. Then it's got your main blade. But this here, I think, is used to fix divots on a golf course. I might be wrong. They're usually bigger than this, what you use to correct the divots on the golf course with, but that's the only thing I can think of. I looked on their website. I don't see a SD Classic with this on there. If y'all know what this is, y'all let me know. But it's got a little bit of surface rust here and there. I'll clean it up, and I'll add it's missing the toothpick. I'll add a toothpick to it. But it's in good shape, real good shape. $6. This one here, guys, was the find of the day. This is a 1991 Sodbuster Junior. You see, it's still got the factory grease right there. It's in excellent shape. See the blade? Never been used. It's got the plow and the etching still on there. It's just immaculate for $25. Couldn't believe it. 2137 stainless steel. Again, it's still got the factory grease on it, guys. That's a good find right there. All right, and the next two are, of course, Zippos. All it needs is some fluid. Right here, C is for March. X, I, and a V, which is Roman numeral number 14, means it's 1998. So this was made in March of 1998. So it's got a little bit of age to it. And again, all it needs to be is cleaned up. It's got a little bit of rust down there. But it's got, it looks like it's in great shape. Might not be able to get a joker out. Let's see. Oh, man. That was kind of busted up a little bit. That should help. Let's sit right there. Now, this Zippo, that one come right out. F of 03S, June of 2003. And it matches this right here. June of 2003. We're fixing to add some fluid to this. It don't look like it's been used all that much. How about that? This one's in great shape. Paid $15 for it. And I know you can buy them brand new at Walmart for $10.97, but this lighter is over 20 years old. And it's in great shape. Well, guys, from that store, That's the total I paid, $79.57. So let me know if I paid too much, guys, if y'all wouldn't have paid this much for it. All right, moving on to the first pawn shop, which is Northside Pawn Shop. Check this little thing out, and believe it or not, it still has the emblem on there. About 75 to 80% of the time you come across a Boker USA or Boker one that's made in Germany, it's missing that shield right there. But these blades are in excellent shape. I'm going to clean it up, as I always do. Clean them up and just throw it in my collection. This guy still got good snap. Hear that? The handles are not bone, but it does have brass liners. It's just in great shape. Good shape. Good looking knife. Now this one here I've never seen before. Never, didn't even know Leatherman made anything like this. But this is a Leatherman Free T2. They're worth about 50 bucks on their website. I gave 25 for it. It is missing the clip, and I'm sending it in to Leatherman to replace the clip there. I don't know how it come off, but it did. And but it's got 8 tools on this thing. You got the main blade, and then they lock. Very easy to maneuver, and to get to these, you just flip them up. It's got a sewing awl. It's got a little mini screwdriver. You got a big screwdriver. You got a package opener, it's called, and this is a pry bar also. And then you got a Phillips head screwdriver with a bottle opener. And I like it because you can put a lanyard in there, and guess what I'm going to do when I clean this up? And they lock really good. I can see me carrying this here in the near future. And this here, guys, is a steal of the day too. This is a Victorinox Huntsman, and this thing looks almost brand new. The handles are scuffed up, but the sheath alone is worth 25 bucks on Victorinox. I gave 35 for this and the sheath. But you see, the blade ain't even hardly been used. It's in great shape, still sharp. You got a flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper. Got a can opener with a small screwdriver. And you got a saw. You got a pair of scissors too, shears right here. The big shears too. Check that out. That's nice. Then you got a corkscrew, of course, which I'll probably never use, but I have been told by some of y'all, and it's a great idea that you can use this to untie knots with, really tight knots. And I can see that. You can get that little point down in there and pry up that rope. That's a great idea. Also, it's got this multi-purpose hook here. Yeah, the multi-purpose hook. I've never used one, but I'm sure if you're building like a net, a casting net, it would be good to be able to reach through there and pull through. I don't know. Y'all give me some examples of what you can use this for. And then you got, of course, the sewing awl. It's got a sewing, it's a punch blade with you can sew with it a tarp. You can sew a leather, or you can sew canvas. Good all around blade here. And it does come with the tweezers and toothpick. So again, guys, this was a great deal. Great deal, I think. So altogether, you would have paid about 75 bucks for this here. I gave 35, not too bad. For these 3 knives, guys, on a pawn shop, total was $76.64 with tax. So let me know if I paid too much, guys. Y'all let me know if I got a deal or not. I think I got a good deal myself. But again, y'all let me know what y'all think. Now here, I did really good at that other pawn shop too, because this is a Gerber USA made multi-tool. It's got a a ruler outside. Got some needle nose pliers. Main blade, and it looks like it's in great shape. Flat tip screwdriver with a bottle opener. You got another flat tip screwdriver, a medium sized, and you got looks like a punch blade. On this side, you got a saw. You got I don't know what that is. Y'all let me know what that is. I haven't looked it up. Let me know what that is right there. I have no idea. Phillips head screwdriver. Then you got a can opener. Very cool. See, you can lock it. See, it locks good. I love that blade. It's a good looking blade on that right there. Good edge. This here is a scallion. This thing on Kershaw website worth 89 bucks. You can tell it's USA made right there. The blade's in great shape. But I am going to be able to work on this thing because I think the grease is about gone in that torsion bar. So be on the lookout for a video this week of me breaking this down and cleaning it up and putting new grease in there. It's going to be fun. As you can tell, it's done lost its action there. Well, that's a project. That's what I look for. So I found one. Well, anyway, guys, this is the knife haul for me going to Columbus and Phoenix City to a thrift mall and the pawn shops. I enjoyed it. I love to hunt for knives because you never know what you're going to find like this here. I didn't even know they made one like this. This is the first one I've ever seen. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in today. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.